Okay, let's look at this one. The square root of cosine 6x times sine 6x, and I want to integrate that. This is going to be a little bit harder than the other problems. If I look at this from the onset, there may be a piece of you that wants to let u equal 6x. But if we do that, we're just going to get the square root of cosine u times sine u dx, and that's not going to lead me to anything. So I can't do that. So instead, we want to make one of the trig functions. So I'm going to go with the more complicated one, cosine 6x, because it's got the square root in it. So I'm just going to go ahead and say, let u equal cosine 6x. And so if I take the derivative here, we get du dx equals, now don't forget about how to do the chain rule here. So the derivative of the outside is going to be negative sine 6x. Derivative of the inside is 6. And so we can see here that we have sine 6x dx here. So let's multiply both sides by dx. So we get du equals negative 6 sine 6x dx, and because sine 6x dx is there, I'm just going to move negative 6 to the other side. So I have du over 6 negative equals sine 6x dx. And so this value here can be replaced by du over 6 but negative. So what am I left with? So I'm left with the integration of u to the 1/2. Remember, u is cosine 6x. Square root is 1/2. It's raised to 1/2. And then negative du over 6. So again, I want to make my life easier. Negative 1/6 u to the 1/2 du. And so if I integrate this, 3/2 over 3/2. Look at me writing the integration symbol. Plus c, and I have a negative 1/6 here. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite 3 over 2 as 2/3 u to the 3 over 2 plus c. And if I clean that up, those two cancel and gives me 3, so I have negative 1/9 u to the 3 over 2 plus c. Well, we are solving for x, not c, so if we look here, u is cosine 6x. So cosine 6x. And all of that's raised to the 3 over 2 plus c. And that's it. There's your answer. Hopefully that makes sense. See y'all in the next video.